Good morning, everybody. Happy. Wait. Let me get this properly started before I start going off on a rant. Happy Friday, everybody. Are we ready for this day? Is it Full Port Friday? It might just be Full Port Friday. Let's see what happens. How's everyone doing? Friday, it's Friday. Woohoo! Sorry. I actually don't have that much energy, but here we are.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Are we... Well, I've asked you if you're ready like 5 times. Point is, I'm ready, I'm excited, let's see what we get. Let's see what happens. Now, what's up, Hammer? Can I just say, it did not reach 30. Just saying, but it's okay. Does that mean you have to buy Perry treats? I don't know how it works now. What's up, Trade Addict? What happened? Did you get some awesome whoop whoops? Yesterday, so I have not done anything, so let's see. No, that's just a missing candle. Bruh. Bruh. Okay. Here's our midnight magnet. I'm doing things back to front, or front to back. Whatever. Doing things a little bit opposite to what I normally do. So that's weird for me, but anyways. Here's our new daily. Let's see, is there a gap? Oh, there's a little gap. There's an itty bitty little new daily opening gap. It's not mahoosive, but it's there. Oh my goodness. This has actually moved a lot. It didn't click how much this has actually moved, but since the new daily opening, damn, this has moved a lot. Okay. Let's send...
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
What's up, Sally? And Neil, hi guys! Bless Barth. Bless, what's up? This is the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be exact. Which one do you think it's headed back to 29100 or lowest to 28850? Old Lamb, any plans for the weekend? Yeah, I have to clean my place. So, cleaning. And slowly starting to pack. None of those things are fun. Just saying. I am not looking forward to any of those things, but here we go. And New York high / previous day high. Let's put this up. Let's see. Oh no, New York high was correct. Noise. Asia high right here. Okie dokie. That has already been taken. That's already been taken. Okay. I can't believe how much this has moved. This is about to be a very, very interesting day. That is everything marked out though. Let's do a quick top to bottom analysis before we focus properly. So on the daily. Holly, how you doing by the way? Sorry, it's hot. Wait. What mood are we on? Is it Solly or Holly? Who's here right now? What's up, Debbie? Morning, Desert Sonic wants to bless me with a cup of coffee. I got a cup of tea. I got a cup of tea. Does that count? Let's see, is this just a retracement? And then back up? Is this just continuing what it's been doing? Gonna work its way down. What's up, Trade Addict? How are we doing? Well, is that your copy for Hammer? What's up, David? How are you? Okay. 4 hour. See, these are quite hectic. There's quite a bit of momentum now going to the bear side. Do you think today is the day that we start to see a bearish day? Is today the day? I shot myself with a nail gun 2 hours ago. Are you good, Solly? What the heck? What happened? And also, where did you shoot? Is finger, foot? Where? Do I drink tea over coffee? I just don't have coffee right now, so I'm drinking tea. But normally I would have coffee probably over tea. Oh, out of your thumb with pliers. Ow, ow, ow. So Trade Addict, do you think that we're still going up? So you think this is just a retracement or retest back down? See, on the 1 hour, we have had a change of character, but we need a break of structure for confirmation first. Okay. 15 minute. Tap in there. Let's see, this very nice order block on the 15 minute. Let's see what it does when it gets there. What? 193 to 114. Let's see what happens if it bounces off of it or not. That's the 15 minute. Let's check the 5 minute. Nasdaq mostly likely bullish. Trump and Nvidia locked up a deal in China yesterday. Oh, okay. Was it like done and dusted now? Solly? That's not good. Did it hit a nerve, or are you safe? Are you still, I don't know, do you have to go to the hospital? Basically, I guess that is the question. Should you be here right now, or should you not be at hospital? John, you're asking for 5 day. I mean, the 5 days just been going. Phew. No, interesting. I've never really looked at the 5 day, but like these days here, a lot of volume, but barely moving. Barely any, well, still volume. Not as big as here, but it's moving great length. So obviously, clearly the sellers were there. I mean, buyers? Okay, we all know that my English depleted yesterday. Yeah, my English did indeed deplete yesterday. So today, we are speaking gibberish. So you guys are just gonna have to bear with me with regards to today. Yeah, just bear with me. Like I said, my English bundle depleted yesterday, so this is where we at right now. And we can have a bullish impulse moment to end the week before PM session. What's up, Calvin? How you doing? Helicopter on the way. Sorry, how you doing, Eddie? I don't like needles, so I'm scared to go to hospital, but a nail in the thumb is fine. Why yesterday? Good question. I have no idea. It started malfunctioning and English wasn't Englishing yesterday, so here we are. Need a new English data bundle. I do. I need it. I need to purchase the See, it's just gone. It's not my fault. It's left the building. 100 likes for an Afrikaans stream. Ah, you're gonna get like 5 words out of me. I'm very bad at Afrikaans. And I basically only know swear words. I had a dream a long time ago that points to potential stock market crash after today. Okay. I slept at 5 AM. Were you playing your games? Anton, what's up? It was depleted well before yesterday, Maya. Wow! They're becoming in Savage today.
Emotional damage.
Damn! Have me in a chokehold. Dead broken. I just need to wait for swelling to go down and see if it hit nerve or ligaments. Solly, go to hospital! Like, oh my gosh. I wouldn't think this is something I'd have to say, but don't be dumb. Go to hospital. Anyways. Sorry, look at the bright side. Not your point. You can still gamble. Anyways, what's up, Atlanta? How you doing? How's it going? So 3 AM has come and gone and not much happened. Let's see, here's the 3 AM open. Cool. Let's see what we get. I mean, this just crashed. Look at this. How many points is this during Asia session? Nearly a 500 point drop during Asia session. That doesn't happen often. Okay. Do we think that may have been the manipulation? Could have been manipulation. Then we need some accumulation. I forgot accumulation and then the distribution. Hopefully London is not the accumulation because that's gonna suck. Anton, since you're not using all the other programs as what I just no, you can use my code for discounts. That's about it, Anton. Yeah. Thank you, Bearish. Yes, is bullish. Great, I'm going back to bed. Yeah, because the nail was rusty, so they would want to give me a tetanus shot. Don't be a baby. Okay, anyway, I know you are young. Don't be a baby. Just go. Like it's just a little needle. I'd rather die from infection. Oh, okay. Bless me. Reason's been getting all the volume these days, right, Neil? And watch, if I one day was like, let me attempt to trade Asia session, I'll come and it'll be sideways. Sorry, it's a needle, not a blown account. They should have put. Either you go or we're coming for that ass. Damn. Solly, you're gonna get bullied into getting an injection today. Just say. We're all gonna be like, we need proof. Go. Go. I watched a trade on YouTube. I don't want to say his name. He said he got banned from the top one because he was winning too much. Is that a thing? No, Anton. If you're not following the rules, then yes. But, you know, when it comes to prop firms, it is still a business, right? So they have their rules. If you play by their rules, you both come out winning. Does that make sense? But if you just... At least that's my understanding. Maybe everyone can agree or disagree with me. Anton said he watched a YouTuber that said he got banned from a prop firm because he was winning too much. Is that a thing? I don't believe that's a thing. I've heard a lot of people getting a lot of payouts and they haven't gotten banned. That's because they're sticking within the rules and they're doing what they are supposed to be doing. Does that make sense? I have an irrational fear of needles. I seriously asked the nurse if I could cut my hand and squeeze the blood into the vial for blood test. Okay, Solly, what if you ask a friend to knock you out first? Right? Just they must go with you and they must just dunk you over the head, knock you out, get everything that has to be done while you are KO'd. Compromise. I'm trying to go to sleep to the peaceful music. Need you to stop talking for like 30 minutes, thanks. Absolutely not, David. Rude, you now sound like Solly. Anyways, I forgot that I could do that. Some people know what that means and some people won't, and that makes me happy. Those who have a prop strategy just to pass and get one payout, and they do get banned from props. Okay, but is it because they're not sticking to the rules, Hammer? Is that why? You know, definitely better than a nail. I mean, I've never had a nail in the thumb. I'm pretty sure that hurts more. Sorry, that's the official Maya medical pass from trading. It's a thing for sure. Here in SA, I know someone that took a 500k payout from Vault Funder. They paid him, but banned him from buying further challenges and closed his account. I guess, but then you have to be smart about it. Like, take it out slowly but surely, right? Huh. Atlanta, you calling BS on which one? Hey Pipstar, what's up? Price is currently inside a 4-hour fair value gap with an order block below it. What's up, Beachman? How are we doing? And Lava Turtle, hi! Sorry, Solly, we'll stop bullying you. You do you. Just whatever happens, don't die. We'd be sad. That's all. Otherwise, you do what you gotta do. Please don't be sideways. It'll make me sad if you go sideways. Sorry, Shy Away by 21 Pilots is stuck in my head. Hey Nomad, how are we doing? For anyone that just hopped on, I nearly pressed the wrong one. Anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
And where's to David that's trying to sleep? I hope this helps. Anyways, sorry, that's just me being mean. They make a lot of money and with speed and get banned because they have huge payout and the props hate it. But isn't it because of the fact that they're getting payouts too quickly? Does that make sense? Or they but that's why I said, like, be smart about it. Take little amounts at a time. Sharpening, you more than welcome to. Am I on the Nasdaq 100? I am, Anton. The micros to be exact. Thanks, Lava Turtle, yeah. That's actually not that helpful. Aw, shucksy doodles. I'm so sorry. I'd like be one ocean. Face your fears. Use it as trading psychology. No fear in no fear in real life and on the charts. Sorry, Eddie. Sorry. Can you tell Sassy Maya's out today? Good luck, everyone. Seriously, good luck. Anton, so you're saying how are we looking currently on the NAS 100? You're currently in a long. So you got scammed. OTT, what happened? Hey Sin, hi. So opening has happened and we have moved a grand total of 38 points. To be fair, it could be worse. It could be worse. It appears that the bulls are starting to push. I'm wanting to see if it goes up to tap into VWAP on ES. There's also VWAP above here on NQ, so maybe that's the play for today. It's gonna go up. Take a lot lied to me. Explain, OTT, what happened? Hey, Dave Killups. So, your 5 cents accumulation was from start of New York lunch yesterday to the end of Asia. Manipulation was the drop to 2 a.m. and we're in delivery now. Delivery now or distribution now? What do you mean by delivery now? So we had the accumulation and the drop happened now. Manipulation. So you saying distribution is going to happen now. We're going to start going back up, right? Just making sure we're on the save. On the same wavelength. English, nailed it. I ordered something, picked it next day delivery. I checked now, talking about arriving Monday, so why I pay more the next delivery? Oh, that what? OTT, that's dumb. Email them. You raised it and took it for banning people. That's true though, I've read about certain firms banning people. Yeah. That's irritating. But that's why I know. That's the thing. Banning people, I'm not sure. I know that with both Traderfy and Violinox in particular, you have to do some really sketchy stuff for them to not approve a payout. Right? But it takes a lot for them to not approve one. If you win too much, you're bad for business. Yeah, like I said, prop firms are still a business as much as it can be a win-win situation for both of you. It has to be a win-win, or else you're bad for business, like you said. Leave a negative review, OTT, that'll show. Yeah. I just laughed out loud. Lost those press. I was trying to stay same page. Hannah, why do you think I've actually purposefully, I purposefully have this? Because do you know how often this happens? Where I'm just like, okay. Ooh, that was a nice push. On NQ. ES not yet. Tempted to just hold my MQ long overnight. Did well on MGC short in Asia. Ooh, nice, J-Ro. I mean, as long as maybe your stop loss is in break even, then what difference does it make? Why not? Apart from this new account, I'll try to do more research on that case. I'll try and get back. Oh no, Anton, no, 100%. I know you don't know which one they used. I find it interesting. I also wonder why. You know, was it just because he was bad for business? Maybe. That was so funny. For no reason, I'm gonna have to TED talk on prop firms one day. Go on, all them, do it. I think the daddy knows it. I think you should trade personal funds as well as especially using payout money. Leverage is good when you don't care about the money. Neil, okay, we could have a bit of a debate about this one. I feel like trading live comes at a certain time for traders. Some, it just never, you know, they don't want to trade live, and that's fine. You know, if the prop firms are working for them, awesome. But I feel like to trade live is a bit risky. If you have the money and you do not give a damn, sure, why not? But for a lot of people that don't have it, why would you not want to get something that can, you know, you can protect your capital? Your payouts, fund your live account and spend the payout money. There we go. Son, what do you mean you're banned? Atlanta! Oh, here we go. Okay, here's some movement. Let's see if it breaks up above here. Just took that out. Let's see. It's a nice little inverse for value gap here. Tapped into the bob level. Oh, it's a pity about this. This would have been a nice flipping trade. Never mind. That would not have been a nice flipping trade. That trade would have made me angry. Rude. Nice hammer. What? Done already? You can't expect props to keep traders who consistently be taking 10k to 20k payouts basically monthly. You can't expect props to keep up. Maybe people are scared to lose their own money. Mental war could be debilitating. Valid. There we go. Hello, you said it's valid. You're doing. TMP Porty banger pre-London. Nice, Debbie. Rude. President said burn your money and feel the pain. Just budget it. All the paying your tuition. Oh damn, Hammer. Okay. When did I start? Around here. So you bought basically down here and it's just, it reached your TP and now you're just like, cool, I'm done. Cheerio. I don't know why I said cheerio, but anyways. I learned valuable lessons from watching my hard-earned cash disappear in seconds from time to time. Yeah, I hear you, but you know, if you don't have to, why would you? Hammer? Well done. Seriously, well done. Anyone else that's got some green for today? Proud of you. Well done, guys. Whoop whoop. It's below the live account. You gotta be over leveraging. Like. Yep, yesterday was not a good day, so I'm just staying out. Got all my losses back. Got kicked 2 times yesterday. Oh no, Hammer. Okay, that makes sense. What's up, Dom? Guys, let's see. Today might be the day where I say let's just blow this popsicle stand. My popsicle stand, I mean this live account, because screw it. I was gonna swear and I was like, don't do that. We'll pull back. Thanks for the whoop. Yeah. To be fair, Dom, I was looking at this for a bit of a pullback, but I think on ES this could potentially drop a little bit lower. Though, that being said, let's see. The only part that I do not like is the fact that it's in this bob level. You know me and the bob levels. It's a little bit when it comes to the bob levels. If this comes back and pulls up and then it continues, I will very happily take a trade when it gets out of this bob level. You guys know me and the bob levels. I respect the heck out of them. Are you sure it's okay I share my dream? Of course, sharpening. Maybe someone resonates with it. and it helps them. People that don't want to listen just won't listen. You know. I agree with that, David. The ultimate goal as a profitable trader must be to trade your own money via a verified A-book broker. Proper must be a second stream in your trading career. But as beginners, David, we're speaking kind of more about beginners here. Well, I am, at least. Speaking as, like, for beginners. I personally, again, it's just my opinion, I personally feel that prop firms are the way to go if someone is new to trading. And then once you are profitable, have a live, but then, like OTT said, you can still have a prop on the side that can then keep funding your live. You know, get some payouts from that as well. What if you choose a day where you go into an A+ setup and put 6 contracts on it? What do you mean? I'm a dreamer. Don't order your horse's hair off Amazon. After a few days, they ask for your feedback. Okay, I'm about to dump it in the chat. Go on. Skeletor, yeah, that was Skeletor. Respect. I dream all over a year ago. Green line chart going up and was going up with 0 pullbacks and made me very frustrated watching it. The chart was a translucent. Yeah. Sorry, we're listening to Sharpening's dream. You guys can listen to it or not. I'm actually genuinely curious about it. I forget to breathe. I should maybe breathe. Breathing, good. Oxygen, good. Another calendar where each page was a single day and I flipped to 28 and 28 faded out and saw bullets and a missile and fireworks. When I saw these things, the green, indeed, but if you have no money at all to fund a decent live account, go props get a payout, 30% save for live, 40% reinvest in bigger accounts, 30% spend. Exactly. Are you sure you weren't watching a thermometer in your dream? Breathing, check. Hiccups, check. You know what? Don't judge. Okay? Okay. Cool. Don't judge. We're all a little weird here. Just saying. In case you hadn't missed it. Where's my hair? Did I wash my hair? I did wash my hair this morning. I mean, I could put a headband on, but I thought, it's great. We're gonna be wild and free today. Normas, say me about your Normas. My Normas, Adrianus. Okay, sorry. Thanks for that, Jordy. And then I'll try, but sometimes you just need to go for it. And if 3 things will happen, no win or lose or break even, I personally would have full ported by now. Most of us are probably traders, so yes, we're weird. Exactly. Thank you. some SA to brighten your day. Jordy, I love it. And a lot of people are just gonna be like, what? What? Which is valid, because that's a very weird thing to just kind of start going on and on about. Sometimes you just gotta get in there, say F, but it can only go one of 2 ways eventually. Yeah, Atlanta, and maybe today is that day. How is this looking on the 5 minute? Let's check the 5 minute dough. Sugar honey iced tea. I actually quite like this trade. That being said, this could want to retest the full 5-minute. Okay, let's wait for a little bit more confirmation. Let's see if we get a little bit of a retest and pull that back up. There would have been entry. Watch it go back up now. Mother bluffer. Oh, Geordie, man. That's now going to be stuck in my head. Appreciate it. The new moon faces veil made around the veil must be something within you down. Ah! You can pull your hair out so you can see your whole face. Absolutely not! No, 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 you don't do that. Why not? a.k.a. red train. Sharpening is cooking. Okay, but hear me out, Atlanta. That's impossible for me to do because I will just blow the account. And then I'll just have to get a new prop logo. I'm just feeling sad for people like everything. My spirit animal is a bit of balls today. Oh, Ollie better watch out if he makes jokes. Geordie's gonna like pop through the Discord screen and snack him. Hey Silver, how are you doing? Alex, yeah. Well, sharpening. Let's see how accurate your dream is. I mean, maybe it's right. That'll be very interesting. And this is the day where it starts to just go down. NQ is due for creation. If the change of character we see today is going to hold, the continuation will happen around 29530. Okay. Very interesting sharpening. Also in dream, and sometimes I take them to play out like that. Sometimes I'm going to just write them down and keep them. You can't remember the details. My spirit animal's a bribroki. What's up, Mr. Winge? Yeah, translate. And if you want to start using your own money, fine. Your spirit animal is a jaguar. Mine's probably like a koala bear or something. No, not koala bears. They're actually terrifying. Hummingbird's feet. What? OTT? Yours is a hummingbird? Why a hummingbird? Okay, that potentially could have been a tag in. Let's see if this does go up. If it does go above here, then you best believe I'm going to be taking it long. But Tiana, how do you know? Mine is definitely a panda bear. Oh my gosh, I love that actually. I will so happily be a panda bear. What about a red panda? When they see things, they go, ooh! Personally, the things I've ever seen are related. I'd be a panther in spirit. Built that comfort up to unbelievable levels. That's true, Atlanta. Now you're comfortable, right? You're living comfortably, I'm assuming. Barry's just over here snoring away. That reminds me, I saw a South African white lion and now I want one. I mean, white lions are not that common. Who's David? David Animal Defo. Koala. Are you good? None! South Africa, what's up? They look so gangster and so proper. No, until they're too strong. I'm too strong. all have weird things. Just saying. I'm just like, you know what, Debbie, I agree with you, a panda bear. Cool. I'm so happy with being a panda bear. Or like I said, a little red panda, because they're adorable. Laziness and syphilis are prevalent. Jordy, do you know they also have smooth brains? I don't know if they're the only creature with smooth brains, but they legitimately have smooth brains. They are so... This sounds so mean. This is why I was like, you know, maybe a koala. And I was like, no, definitely not a koala. Sorry, you guys are gonna get some koala facts. They're adorable, don't get me wrong. But how they have not died out, I do not know. They are so dumb. What's up, Adam? I'm an annoying little chicken. Think Moana. The chicken. I love it. Better accent South African. Thank you. A smooth brain in America means you're... Well, Atlanta, they are dumb. So you know they only eat eucalyptus leaves, right? Number one, eucalyptus leaves are actually poisonous, which is why they have to constantly eat them. Because they're actually kind of poisoning themselves. Second of all, they could be in a room filled with eucalyptus leaves. Filled, but they're on the ground. They will starve to death. Because... they aren't registering that those are eucalyptus leaves. They have to be on the trees or else they will starve to death in a room full of food that they eat. Can I, like... They shouldn't be a thing, but they are here. They're cute, but they're not. Animals are a blessing. Oh no, 100%. Don't get me wrong. I love animals way more than I love people. I will very happily shove a person in front of my dog to take a bullet. For my dog. Oh no. That little Moana thing. Went to drive through safari and car overheated and started smoking in the lion section. It was crazy. Jay couldn't get out to check and we had to stay in the car that was smoking. Oh god, that's wild. Jordy, I have seen that. I have seen that. Dolphins are very smart. Yes, they mock pufferfish so that they can do that. My lord. I'd say why? The call has made it this far. There's hope for you.
Emotional damage.
For once, I'm not getting bullied. Same somewhere else. Do you explain what the charts mean? Kind of. Why? Oh, here we go. Let's see what this brings. Now let's just look on the 5-minute. This is why I was waiting for confirmation before jumping in on anything. Ugh. If entry was there, I would be more keen on this. I need entry to be lower. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Maybe that's why they've made it further and I have too much in my home. Huh. That's rough. How dare a Russian girl do currency trading in her native language? That is despicable. Anyways, I'm so sorry, guys. I am so sorry. How Geordie's feeling like solid Sappho today. The South African sassiness is coming out of me today, so you're just gonna have to bear with it. I apologize. If I'm being rude, call me out. I will put myself in a timeout. But, you know, I will still call you out on being... Yes. Whee! Dagnabbit. Stop running away from me. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Mother fluffer. Ah! Yeah, it's just running away. I'm gonna get you guys. Gonna have tea and a biltong and oh, nice hammer. Enjoy. No. Why did you not come retest? Aw, poop. Okay, it's just going down. It's just going down. I say we jump out for the snaps. Bring on the spice. Go on, time out. You've been violating all morning. I'm trying to apologize, double down. Can I get a whoop? OTT? Did you get a whoop whoop? Do you guys listen to Korn? Yeah, I do. Why? Geordie? Partial taken? Used to watch. OTT! Heck yeah! Whoop whoop! Amazing! Well done. Anyone else that got in on this? Seriously, well done. It just didn't come back and get me. How rude. And it hit my point of interest. What time are we looking at? What's the time here? 3:37. Shoot. How's this look on the 5-minute? Yep. Sorry. Ooh, bob to bob. Let's go, buddy. Could still come back further then. I don't like that little tail that it formed over there, but a butt. Didn't quite tap into there. 40 short could still be in play here. I feel like I'm trying to shorter. Just one? Yeah. No, this is then the same mistake as yesterday. Learn from your mistakes. Maybe it works out today, but then the same mistake as yesterday. Let's not do that. Projecting off of the 3 AM open right there. Put me in. What I can do. F equals order flow. Oh no, okay. Today looks like a nice TGIF setup. Okay, let's do... Oh, I see what happened here. Oh, I see. We had a double bottom on ES. It's not tapped into that 50% yet either. Oh, now it's about to. Had a little rejection, but not enough of one. Lines are a lot bigger than people realize. When you're right next to one, it's scary. Even the older cubs are scary. Do you guys want to hear a random little story from my childhood about lions? Don't know if you guys care, but I can tell you a very random little story and why I'm very cautious around lions, because they hate me. I don't know if I'm like easy prey or an easy target for them, but there have been at least like 3 situations that there is evident that either they really just want to eat me, or they really like me, or they really hate me. I don't know. I don't speak lion, but yeah. Here we go. Bye bye. It's just running away. What's up, Rolf? How you doing? There are no mistakes. Not all setups will work. Yep. I love random stories and love lions. Okay, well, went to, it's called like the Rhino and Lion Park down here in SA. I don't know if there's any rhinos there anymore, but went there. There was 2 separate situations. I'll tell you the one. I won't say the other one, but the one was we parked. There was a lion literally chilling under a tree, chilling. I was in the back seat, like basically the boot. Everyone else was in the front. This lion was basically asleep under the shade of the tree. He looked at me, got up from chilling, walked to the car, like looking at me the whole time. Like he did not stop looking at me the whole time. My mom was screaming at my dad to start driving. And luckily, well, yeah, luckily, I don't know if he would have been able to do anything, but basically then as the lion was about to like jump up at the car, at my window, my dad drove off. But yeah, that was fun. I want to ask a lion question, but I don't want to sound like a dumb American. Hold them, ask away. You might as well ask, right? Else you'll never know. And then you might ask someone who might judge you. I won't judge. Did you all know rhinos are the unicorns of the world? Hey! Welbus, right? I feel like I'm butchering that. Your name does look familiar. What's up? How you doing? Pay out, baby! OTT? Oh my gosh! I will defo judge you. OTT, you get another whoop whoop. Well done. Lion wanted a quick snack. Inverse for value gap for the win. Where did you enter at? Here. Yeah? Was it here? Is that like your main strategy now, the inverse pay value gaps? In your current city, are there lions, wildlife nearby? Where I am right now, not super close. There are like some zebra and stuff, but no big 5. Yeah, there's no big 5 animals close to where I am right now. But wildlife, I mean, we got the monkeys. Like I said, there's like little dacre, which are like little buck. What else? Little mongoose. They're everywhere as well. So there is wildlife, but not like the big 5. Not dangerous. Well though. Obviously, I'm looking at the Nasdaq futures. How are you doing? Friday special, nice work. It was so hard from being edged to getting losses, but we made it. OTT aura farming out here, good job. You use caps because of your poor eyesight. Oh, that's okay. 324 candle close. Okay. And then you took that down. Okay, let's go up. It was so hard. I feel like I can breathe. Do elephants go on rampages and SM like you see them do in India? Not really. No. But I think it's because okay, let me just say no. No, they don't. Well, not that I know of. 24, not 34. Ah, so I was kind of looking at the right one. Kind of. So then you got real scared there and then it went down, right? Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Is that what happened? It just ran away without me. Beep, 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 beep. Bob to Bob, let's do this thing, chicken wing. Ah, okay. Yeah, sometimes you can see them. Male fine. Can't be. The crocs have a feast all the time. Karma, I was like from Evan January and he was super chilled. Yeah. Okay, so if this thing gets turned around, it'll fly to the upside. So I'm gonna ask because they can't be stopped if they're angry. Charmaine is the trend these days. Interesting. Command zone turned into supply. Thank you. I still think it's gonna reach at least where's this at? 366.50. This is the 50% of the full range. If this drops further down, I think the shorty shorts are definitely in play. If we see it start to push here from this 366.50, then the bulls are back. We don't sell because of buy manipulation, 60 on later. No, I do not. I do not use the bands. I saw one on video and did not believe it was real at first, but didn't you know what I'm asking? Jolly, I don't actually quite know what's happening and where the conversation is going right now. Oh, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, the MNQ. Okay. Wait, I take that, but I'm 41. 350, okay. Still going. For now. Virgil, I mean, do you have Discord? You can just send it on the Discord. Trade as in rejected and slapped. I feel like 41 is young. Just saying. 41 is pretty young still. Good grief. Is it difficult to short oil long term, like 6 months out? No idea. Sorry, I don't trade oil. Yeah, well, thank you, Virgil. No, I'm not 41. Sorry, Debbie, I'm just like calling out your age. Debbie is 41, and I'm saying that's young. Maya was 41 in 1995. I was gonna make a your daddy joke, but fine. Let's just get up to date. I would agree. Life truly starts at 40. You stop giving about everything and only focus on what matters. Debbie, I'm so excited for that. I am so excited. To be fair, I'm getting closer and closer to that, and I'm not even 30 yet, which does not bode well for everyone around me. Good luck to them. And so my friends are like, damn, why have you gotten so sassy? I'm just like, I just can't be bothered anymore. Can't be bothered. Oil is news driven, so there's no telling what it will do. I'd say your best bet on shorting oil 6 months out would be option spreads, but I really don't agree with the 6 month timeline. Debs, that makes me 40 then. The USA is scared of deflation and... My artist. OTT, huh? Your baby's still like mine. You're gonna insult him. You're gonna insult him by saying he's like me. Guaranteed. It's not that I didn't place a trade, it's that it ran away from me. When I see 20-year-old parents, it icks me. Why? Like they shouldn't be having kids, or like why does it give you the ick? Excuse me, like my owner. I knew it, I knew it, I knew it, I knew it. Wait, do not short oil. The possibility for it to shoot above monitoring is very great. Maya is somebody's great uncle. Okay. Okay. Okay then. Sorry, has my head been doing that weird thing this whole time? Sorry. That's normal. My mom was a mom at 20. Before Trump. And I'm mature enough in my opinion. When it comes to oil, they make an exception. Wow, they're... On this one point, cheap oil makes the economy a speed up. Yeah, politics. I feel like the answer to everything is politics. Just saying. Nice bearish pressure in. Okay. Like I said, I just find it. Wait, what time is it? Oh, okay, 5 minutes to go until 4. Let's see what we get. 5 minutes to go. It's moved. It has moved, just definitely not as much as Asia. Which means maybe this is just accumulating a little bit further before the distribution later during New York. Okay. Sorry, I'm the middle child. Stop looking at oil, it's still over $100 a barrel. Must be with gas prices. If you are South African, did you see that absolute BS about watch the gap above the midnight? Oh wait, midnight's up further here. Okay. You think it's gonna go all the way back up there? What's up, Ron? How you doing? To be fair, I'm teaching the boys how to trade and they both are teenagers. What's this you smart? Maya, you just sounded really smart just now. Why do you sound surprised by that? Like, I don't know if I'm offended by that or not. You seem surprised. How did thought? I have drama in this chat. My job is done and it's my time to leave. Cheers, kids. Cheers, Jordy Jordy. Enjoy. Personally think we are bearish. This candle has been bullish too long. We need to breathe. You know, my saying is trend is friend until it's not, right? You don't want to keep getting trapped because you're not following the trend, you know, rather stick with the trend, get wins, and then when it's all of a sudden not, it's one win, I mean one loss versus all the wins. Does that make sense? Making the expansion of the next candle up and then the push down. Okay. Negative deflation. 1 hour just closed bearish. What? 1 hour? 1 hour. I just said 1 hour. Oh, okay. 1 hour hasn't closed just yet. We still have 2 minutes to go. Well, okay, we still have a minute to go. Because one direction it pushes harder, so one side is shorter than the other. Well, about to. There we go. Kevin Perry was comedy skit about moody teenagers by Harry. My mom, I'm gonna be so mad when I get a tattoo, but she can't be mad forever. Just, do you know what? What I'm saying, maybe you should get one where you can hide it for a long time and then get the hand one. And then she's like, how dare you? And you're like, I've had this for ages, and then show her the other one. Was the one thing my mom said. She was like, I don't care how many tattoos you get as long as you can hide them. Because, you know, a lot of people are very like, yeah, they don't care about tattoos anymore, right? But some people are still very negative about them. I mean, damn, I don't know what my snail did to offend people, but, you know. Everyone likes Trent, but no one else rage about it. You linked. I'm so sorry, Silver. I keep suggesting you slice your day into 4 times 6 hours. You see the setup quicker. Getting a tramp stamp. Teach my losses. He used to drop me off at 14 with a bottle of fat lamb, 2 disco biscuits, and a little bit of trading when her. And too much works. Okay, if you have a tattoo. Technically, they shouldn't. Here we go. Right? Technically, work shouldn't care. Not allowed to, like, not hire someone because they have a tattoo. That sounds well. That being said, they passed a new rule in the military saying that you cannot be hired if you have tattoos. Half of them have tattoos already, so I don't quite know the logic behind that, but whatever. I think it was placed for trauma or depression behind it. That's the issue. OTT, yeah, I agree with you on that one with regards to what Debbie said. More kids should be brought up like that. Learning to do things independently. But is it, I keep seeing this thing and I'm just like, yeah, facts. It's like, unfortunately for me, I was raised with a good, to have good work ethic. Not a trust fund. To be fair, it's not a bad thing. Makes you appreciate things in life. Sometimes I wish I was a trust fund baby, damn. Must be nice, but I'm also grateful. Learn what real life is like. Holy bearish momentum, yep. Instantly adaptive. What? Okay. But this is interesting. I am just reading this. Yeah, holy bearish candle. Down we go. I know of us. Got my first job at 11. That's not what's good. Not to be an employee. I'm not trying to teach a school mom because I was trading. Did you get my joke? Not really. Hey Alexander, how much have I earned today? Nothing yet. I did have a setup, it didn't come back to tag me in. I'm looking at this. If it breaks below, shoot, could reject pretty solidly off of this. I'm waiting and watching also patiently, quote unquote, patiently. Was that the 4 AM candle? Oh, it was too. Okay. Okay. That makes sense. That was the 4 AM candle. Why did it tap into the bob level before it did this? I'm keen on this, but it tapped into the bob level first, which is very irritating. Why did it do that? Because also I would be very keen on this. Is the panic glow that we're looking for? My mom's 17. Sorry, so my one friend, super proud of her. She's graduating today, getting her doctorate, so she's not gonna be a doctor. And I was like, you know, do you have any awesome plans? I'm gonna try and watch the graduation live on my phone later, but she was like, no, not really. Go there, stand there, get bonked on the head, go home. I was like, I guess that's valid. Those are plans though. My trust banking issue because they don't know how or in some myself. From accomplishment. No, that's 100% if you want to know what's the bottom level. Real movers sell since the candle is selling. Top levels are solid. Perry, I'm sure you'll agree. I have had no losses and no profit today. Screw it, I'm gonna take this one. Screw it. It's a loss. I know why, but this is just a really nice setup. And it just keeps running away. Okay, it just took out the lows on ES. That's not ideal. Okay. With the weekly candle, I use weekly, monthly, and daily in 4 hour and 1 hour to analyze. I'm also selling, though I have no hope. Chill, dude! Don't be like that. You got this. Back on the 1. Whee! Like I said, it did just take out the lows on ES. I'm gonna change this to 1. Hopefully it rejects enough. It's right there at this fair value gap. Hopefully it rejects enough. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. Well, this one I'm risking around $50 per trade. Well, right now. For this one. Wanting to see it spike up and reject. Don't know if it will though. Okay. And the 1 week candle, then I guess. I don't go back that far. I do the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minute, 5 minute, and 1. Well, and then I trade on the 1 minute. What's up, Solly? What happened, Solly? Damn, I did not hear about that. What? Did you hear about the oil traders that shorted oil on inside information, made 1 billion USD on 4 trades, being investigated for prosecution? Don't do insider trading, people. Don't be dumb. Yeah, no. Mine is no. I would get 100. Mine is 1 to 2 R. Alex. Imagine making oil short. I would launch my computer out the window. GP hit. That's about time because I did it a few months ago. I made 6 million in 2 hours, bro. Okay, that's insane. I'm feeling a little bit insecure about this trade. So I'm getting confirmation. So this is saying still a little bit of a buy there. Oh dear. TMP is very much neutral right now. Leave it alone, leave it alone. Some excitement, no. The other day I made 5k in 3 hours and I started sweating. I think I'd start crying if I started making that amount of money. I would literally just be like, what do I do with myself? I don't know what to do with myself. I might have a panic attack. I haven't looked at oil yet today, but the accumulation is from 250. It's at the trading range. The only bit of a problem I see is that it might want to go up a little bit higher on ES. And I might just take out... I'm just gonna be very quick. If it even gets there. I was gonna say if this rejects, I'm gonna be very quick to move. Yeah. To move that into break even. Have you really clear with alpha that futures? I tried futures 3 times. Trump's announcement there in the USA silver dropped really big and the guy from Shark Tank was read market. And the UK floor was closed. Oh my gosh. What's that? Anyone below $100 is a value area for CL. Feeling bullish or bearish for the day. Anton? It's a bit of a toughie. A little bit of a toughie. We have had change of character and breakup structure on ES. However, we have not had it on NQ, so I'm wanting to say a little bit more bearish. But... yeah, but... when my account hits 8 figures, I'm having 8 babies. Like you personally, you're gonna like birth them and everything, yeah. Ah, rats. Didn't come and get me. Sugar honey iced tea, man. Didn't come to get me. See, there's one last opportunity for this. It does low-key feel like I'm chasing a little bit of a falling knife right now. If oil hit $20, not that big low. And it will absolutely chaos the markets. Just how I like it. You know, it makes me happy when the world is on fire. Debbie is here for one reason only. The chaos. Dun dun dun! Brother Bear. Brother Bear, could you retest a little bit? A little bit. I want to take the shot. I want to go bop to bop, but I want you to come in and get me in here. Come on. Come on. Come get me. That's an A. No, it's an A+ setup. Go on. And if it doesn't work, it doesn't work. It is what it is. Like I said, today is the day that we either pass or blow this account. Okay, let's see. No! Stop it! Come back. Yes, it's still just A+, but it's a little bit close. Let's see. Okay, opportunities. Okay, it's falling, I think. You think? Nah. Don't know about that one here. This is the next point of interest. Over here, little tap in there. I'm risking 100 on this one. This might either make or break me. Let's see. Like I said, today is indeed the day. I will not blow. To be fair, that sounds terrible, but if I was to blow this account, I'd rather blow it on a Friday and then start Monday with a fresh account. Does that make sense? Why don't you like to execute trades? I have. What do you mean? Right here. Trade right there. Right there. Just waiting for it to come tag me in. And then I'm in a single trade hitting a figure. What would you do? How would you react? Are you actually kidding me? How far was it this time? How far away was it this time? 2 bars. No? 1.5 points from tagging me in. Seems about right. And now we're getting too many wicks. Oh, Yeah, no, chill, dude, because I've done that before. Here comes the buyers. I've done it before, and absolute disaster. I do not know why, but marketing in for me messes with my psychology. It's not okay. I've tried a strategy where I market in. Yeah, it does not work for me. Okay, I'll get busy hiding at work and making sure my text notification running system. Today, Mark was not giving me the chance to enter as well. Cool. Me and you both, trade addict. Then went there. Now the buyers are coming back to play, which means this could retest a little bit further back up because it has yet to actually retrace the 50% of this full range from here. Means it could potentially go back a little bit higher. Oh, back into this 4 a.m. fair value gap. Now that the buyers have come back in. I wanted to see a nice push up, tag in, and then strong pull back down, which it did not give me. Instead, now it's giving a lot of long wicks to the sell side, meaning the buyers have come back into play. I made this picture, I'm very well aware. Such a pity because I still like this trade. But looking at volume, the buyers have come back in. Time and effort moving, that's annoying with 8 figures already. It's not extra work mentally if it's put away nicely. Okay. It's just got an extreme volume bar. Let's stop the drop for now. I'm on a funded account. Reminds me of how truly number crazed I am. I think if it breaks here, it's gonna go up properly. If it doesn't break here, we're gonna drop it either way. This 318 level is important for right now. Okay. You're so different today. What do you mean? How am I different, Go Hunter Dream? Your hands and actually not being intentional breathing. Do you trim your positions? What do you mean by do I trim my positions? What does that mean? I'm gonna trade my funded account. I've been neglecting it. There we go. More shiny. I look more shiny. Is it because I washed my hair? Maybe it's because I washed my hair today. I'm using prop firms. There we go. There we go. Potentially back down there. So it was literally 2 points away from tagging me in. That feels disrespectful. Yep, okay, correct idea. It just didn't come and get me in by 2 points. Oh well, on to potentially the next. Except that it's now tapped into Bob level. Okay, we have the sell side liquidity a little bit further down. Sugar, honey, iced tea. Gonna trade with some shares. Oh, Atlanta, you mean like take partials and stuff? Oh, thanks, David. Let me go check it out. So, Dave, that's what you're... Okay. Interesting. Oh, you put a little copyright thing there. That's so cute. Took that out. Mother fluffer, this thing is just running away. What's up, David? 5 minute. A break of structure. 15, sorry, ignore all the chaos happening over there. Without me, right? Buy zone. Let's see, it's right by yesterday's New York low. Right by yesterday's New York low. I wonder if this is just a massive liquidity hunt. Right, there's New York low here, but then I wonder if we're going to retest back up, or if this is just going to keep dropping down. Let's actually check here. Yeah, this is insane. New York low taken. Who's in on this drop right now? No, that's the voice about me. Oh my gosh. Like the FOMO is kicking in and I'm tempted to just mark it in for a sell, but that is very much trying to catch a falling knife now. Can't predict the reversal either, so this is fun. Oh, I thought you were like out of that. Are you just like running down? Where's your TP actual dude? Markets are technically, I'm in the draw. No FOMO. I was using it all. Wow, guys, this is an insane drop. Chill, dude, where's your TP at? You just know that as soon as you market it, it'll turn on you. That is literally... I was thinking of marketing in here. Trick. I know me and I know my luck. When it comes to marketing in, oh my gosh. You know, I think I've only had luck marketing in once. And I've tried it a few times, and I think I've only had luck marketing in once, and that was it. That's why I'm so like, When people like market in, I'm like, Did ES give us a saucy slut drop? Wow. Mikwava, yeah, you've missed a lot. I got it. Was it the TMP that gave you the signal, Debbie? I marked it on. I did not swear. How did I swear? Did I swear and I didn't realize it? That does happen. I should trademark my channel name. No. Ah, there we go. Just got the notification now. What a bummer. Sorry. The bummer is the fact that I had this set up and it missed me by, what, 2 points? It was 2 points. It missed me by 2 points. 2. That's frustrating. When you see a stock fall like this, it may intrigue you to see how many stops the fall takes or makes before it hits the bottom of a fall. Interesting. In fact, let me go find the point of pain for the bull MQ for you. Number tends to stay about the same no matter the symbol, I've noticed. No. I was reading what you said. Also, I don't think that's a swear word. Since when did that become a swear word? Just asking for a friend. When did saying that become a swear word? Oh my gosh, my hair's gone poofy today. Sorry guys, you'll get the... We're talking about lions earlier. Apparently my mane is going crazy. Hey, bonjour Jean-Pierre, how you doing? Okay.
Emotional damage.
It's your main flow. Let it. I feel like I need a fan now. Letting it blow in the wind. So much hair. So much hair. Stop running away from me. Rude. Okay. Sorry, I had my moment. When the drop happens, how many times does it stop? I'm now going to be keeping an eye out for that. Thanks. Thanks, Atlanta. No idea what he was barking at. I think a full English breakfast is calling me. That sounds amazing, by the way. Group you should join and get a on. Person, get ready for a long position. Are there more people in the chat who leave analysis on Maya's Discord? A few people do, yeah. Every corner of that other stream said his. Practice definitely a thing. I believe price action following any reference. I don't know, I've been abroad. My other full English is never the same as at home. Oh, okay. So what I'm hearing is I must just go there and get a full English breakfast, right? That's what I'm hearing. Today, on shorts because I couldn't sleep. Came across your stream. All the setup and entered at 29300. Ah, crack. I did. Did I call that setup? Oh, I did. I said if it broke here. You're welcome, I guess. Maybe I need to start listening to myself. It really is calling me. I'm gonna like look up in the next page, but then the what time is it? I made one in the morning. Okay, let's do this. I'm so sorry, guys. You're gonna have to just deal with this rubbish today. Give me my entry. Give me my entry, mother bluffer. Yes, we're waiting for the breakout above 7460. A little bit of selling pressure going on over here. What's up? Oh, he's growling a lot today. What's happening? Oh, okay. We'll go get them then. Go get them. Yeah, go get them. It's hot. You're completely fine with it. Aw, thanks, Atlanta. I appreciate it. Yeah, I think we should do butterfly of the day. Current English is not a proper English. Not even over here. The bacon consumption will not try to don't taste right for some reason. It's hard to explain. Interesting. Hey Samuel, no. I had 2 trade setups. It just didn't come and tag me in. This one was actually 2 points away from tagging me in. Yeah, my entry was up here. And it missed tagging me in by 2 points. Yeah. Your own butter. Oh, you're our butterflies. Aw, David, that was corny as heck. You know, there's indicators that pretty much tell you exactly. Yeah, I know, Atlanta, I know. Is it bad that it feels like cheating? Does that make sense? Having indicators tell you where and when. Like, does that make sense? What indicators when he tells a client that already has happened? Eh. My car disagrees. Your car disagrees. Oh. Okay. No, I just called somebody else. I'm Queen Cornwall? I know, Debbie, I know. That's why, like, I check it out, but it feels like cheating. I don't know. I know it's not. It just feels like it. It's not cheating. Rolf says VWAP is the one that matters most. Ooh, I hit a nerve with Atlanta. Finally, I found his weakness. Heck yeah. Apparently I am now Queen Cornwall. I wanted to do a butterfly yesterday and you guys distracted me. We could do this one, okay. I'm gonna do this because my glasses are gonna irritate me if they keep falling. Who cares what it feels like when you're printing money? That's valid. Aw, thanks, Drive with Gone. How's it going? Okay, ES traders, pay attention here. So I have to make me want to whoop anybody. Okay, went up above. $463 on ES. Might be an interesting point. Let's see if it rejects off of there. You, however, right above there. Let's see. That would potentially be the entry for the 50% retracement of this range, because we have yet to have a 50% retracement of this range here. Okay. But sorry, I'm being quiet. I know a lot of you appreciate it when I'm quiet, but still. Okie dokie, there we go. Are you guys ready for butterfly of the day? I'm pulling the plug on the entire internet until my takes it back. Oh, I found his weakness. Finally, y'all have been bullying me so much. I've triggered Atlanta. A butterfly spirit. The demand zone. Break it. We love a silent mic. You guys are so mean. Okay, wrong. Okay, my bad. Sorry, Atlanta. Wrong word. Damn, I'm getting yelled at today, Luxon. Yes, I'm just doing a random page. Sorry. It's page 146. I enjoy the noise personally. Yeah, you suffering is my weakness. Aww, I think. Kind of all. Samuel, be ready for a short. It's coming. That's my 2 cents. I think the short will only come after it taps back into that, what level was this? 318-ish level, potentially. Let's see though, I could be very, very wrong. This whole market has just been running away from me today. Very rude. What indicator, dude? This is demand zone. We're only going back up to. Okay, so we have Rolf. Rolf, you're saying this is gonna go up. Well, this, you're saying this is gonna go down. There we go. Well, let's see. Until it does that, let's do this. Are you ready? Butterfly of the day. Do 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 do. Give me a second. There we go. So butterfly of the day is actually, it's this dude here. Not really. It's this dude here with the little black tips on his wings. They have got the worst photos of this butterfly here. Okay, but You get the idea. It's this dude here. So he's actually called the Zulu Buff. The Zulu Buff is his name. Wingspan of 23 to 30 millimeters. It resembles the Spotted Buff, but it is not the Spotted Buff. It's a brighter yellow, so that's what makes it different. Okay, so distribution is rare. Oh, that's why there's not a lot of good photos. This is a rare butterfly. Rare and localized in coastal lowland forest in KwaZulu-Natal, from False Bay north to Cozy Bay and inland to McCartney Flats and Tembe Elephant Park. Habitat is forest edges. That's it. Flight period is double brooded, main brood October and November, and weaker second brood late summer. And his Latin name is actually the one I have up there, which is Pteriomima zuluana. There we go. That's our butterfly of the day. His name is, well, it is the Zulu Buff. Ta-da. There he is. Let's see what we get now. Okay. Didn't quite retrace as high up as I thought it would. Rolf is up, Thin is down. First time I'm gonna retrace to go lower. Did you do any rally will only be a pullback from tonight? Alright, negotiation calls never mentioned. Menu clear programs, well, let's resume again. I think no ways, Debbie. Are you serious? Are you actually serious? I thought that was all done now. I really thought that was all done now. I'm a little bit disappointed by that. That really sucks. I thought this whole war thing was like done, dusted, end of discussion. Any early one you pull back. That's super irritating. Well, 4:53. We still have a little bit of time left. Well, a little. We still have a bunch of time. Let's see if it gives us something good. Sure. Did you send me the song? Yeah, I'll check it out. I appreciate everyone's feedback. There we go. If you guys want to listen to his song on Discord, more than welcome to. If anyone's here that is not part of the Discord, let me quickly pop the link in the chat. I don't know if it's super easy to click onto though. But you guys are more than welcome to join. Just be aware of scammers, guys. Seriously, they are so irritating. So much is about to happen. I don't wish they weren't. We'll resume, in my opinion. We are in the silent before the storm. That's terrifying. I made a friend chicken yesterday and ate some and left the rest in the oven. It's been there for about 10 hours now. Is it bad? 10, I don't know. You're asking the wrong person, because I would say no, but a lot of people would say yes. I don't think that, you know. Asia's officially better than London. Why? If I may, I suggest that is a point of interest for bouncing to the upside. Oh, interesting. I wonder if they've given up. Maybe they've given up since I started sending messages saying there's going to be scammers, hopefully. Hopefully they've given up, because good grief. They were so irritating. They were everywhere. Booking session. I just logged on to see it. Oh. These kind of problems make me realize I need a new girlfriend. Atlanta, why? Why do you say that? To operate the... Okay. That's just stupid. What are you gonna do with the old one? Scammers don't ever get the hardest working people who I know. Rob, you have a point. Well, Rolf, have you been sent a friend request by someone that's not me? Since you've joined the Discord? Because they used to, like, be on it. Damn, they used to, like, send friend requests quick. She's fired 2 times over. But she didn't have a girlfriend. Atlanta. Thought you were... I don't know, you mentioned that the other day. Okay. They did the first day. Oh, damn. Okay, then never mind. Maybe they are still there. Irritating. Your hormones, that's rough. That's rough. Your hormones be giving you away. Okay. Is anyone else in a trade right now? I'm used to it because I have several fake profiles on me. Why do you have several profiles? But yeah, is anyone in a trade right now? So what are we looking at time-wise? Okay, we're a minute away from... Oh. This is what the price action is doing again. A minute away from the new hourly. Let's see. Still no trading since yesterday. Currently waiting for retracement. No-go setups for me. Obvious taken his profits already. I'm in a trade. Flip. Wow. Just wow. Yeah. I'm not mad. I'm just I'm just disappointed. It does make me feel a little bit better at the fact that not one single trade could have worked out. Does that make sense? Nothing had retraced where I wanted it, or where the 50% was. It just ran away without me, so it's not like I actually missed a trade. I didn't actually place two, and they both didn't tag me in. So I haven't missed a trade today. I've been correct in calling which direction it's gonna go, but yeah, it just didn't come back and tag me in. But I did place two trades. Like I said, it just didn't come and tag my limit order for either of them. For some reason, my energy level brings more to me than runs people off, it seems. What's up, Arthur? Good morning. Slow day and still going short going into Friday. I found when you're in a relationship, you get more opportunity than ever. My last relation was proof. $502. Yeah, it looks like we've run out of oomph now. Boy, and bought some decent stuff, and now we've run out of all the oomph that we had. Took out New York lows. Yesterday's New York lows, and now we are deciding where we're gonna go. Okay. I'm trying to decide how I feel about this conversation that's currently happening. Don't know how you feel, Debbie, but I'm a little bit like, should I be offended? Should I not be offended? Nice. Ah yes, more screen recording. So why are you doing hiccups? Sorry, but you women have a built sense that you want what you can't have. You know, I can't even argue with you on that one. Be offended. I'll let you. Yeah, for some reason it's not scaring me. I can be scary. I can be terrifying. Right? I can be scary if I want it to be scary. Watch me. I mean, that's the cutest terrifying ever. Dagnabbit. Want to see me become adorable then? That's all. I always wanted to say that when someone's like, you're cute when you're angry, and then you clap back with, want to see me become absolutely adorable, and then just rage. But yeah, hasn't happened. I just bought gone exit at the supply sent on the Discord. I did see that, so you bought there. Hey Lily. Where? I think I butchered that. There's nothing. It's not threatening again. Maybe. We've had my negative energy. It's like throwing hot coal at someone. Like, who got burned? That's valid. To be fair, I've walked over hot coals before. I've done like that coal walk barefoot. But what's it called? It's just called coal. No? You're supposed to... Yeah, anyways, I've done that before. Don't know if anyone else here has done that. It's quite cool. Did not burn me at all. Very weird. And you know, you can't say it was a fake fire. I watched them literally burn everything and then take it out and put the coals there. Wild. One huge trick is when the market breaks structures, they're going to do nothing or go against it temporarily. You can hold them by the hand facing and then give them a bundle of slaps in the face. Give me handy sometimes. Oh, I love that. What's up, troops? How you doing? Good attitude. First minutes on your arm. Get back to the top. We have a momentum candle, but remember, 60 years price must break it and hold above. Yeah, tapped into it, but did not hold anything. Problems further down the line. We're consolidating a little bit here. Dun 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 dun. Hey! Know what you mean, and I wouldn't do that. My skin is like tracing, but my feet will get roasted. I'm gonna say that's one thing. I have all the indicators and stuff, but actually executing the trade is a whole different ballgame. You can actually take from the midnight. She's probably pastier than me. Go way at the low. Did you take a long there, or did you take a short? I'm confused now. Well, I thought you took a short here. Not a long. Sounds like you took a long. I was about to have some regret on my long exit just now. Into 205 and exit to 278, so I'll continue feeling of FOMO. Very glad I exited when I did. Nice, troops. That's awesome. Okay. Again, another whoop whoop for everyone that's in the green today. I'm here being a little bit of a grumpy goose. Having a little bit of FOMO right now as well. Oh, well. I did place 2 trades, they just didn't come and tag me in. Either of them. If they had, would have been freaking awesome. Oh, you took a buy back to the supply. Got it. And here we start online. I think Atlanta's still talking about girls while we're talking about walking over hot coals. That's 205 live accounts plus 900 after profits, but not going to trade my live accounts anymore today. Nice, troops, that is awesome. Well done. Sorry, my friend took a video of my horse. Oh my gosh, he's looking so fat. Oh my gosh, I'll listen to what she said just now. He was supposed to go and run around, but I'm assuming he's just eating. Hey troops, how's my trading day going? So I had 2 setups, but neither of them got tagged in. It didn't tag my limit order for either of them. It was a little bit of a bummer, but I guess it is what it is. When I feel one thing in life, Debbie has the sound of a roach Crushing into my shoe. That's the only fear you have in life? I feel like that's a lie, Atlanta. Okay. With all this massive movement that happened, kinda looks like we've run out of oomph. Maybe it's just gonna accumulate until New York. Let's see though, let's see though. We still have some time. Still gonna stick around, what, another 30 minutes or so? Let's see what we get. Well, yeah, nope, nothing here. Stu, he did send a picture in Discord. Don't know if you're on the Discord, but he did send a picture in Discord if you want to go and check it out. We go a little bit of a sell side coming back down now. Maya, should I list my fears? No, Nick, we don't have all day. Okay, we don't have all day for that. Cheers, Atlanta in Ahoy! Looks like the retracement won't come. Maybe not as high up as, well, what I wanted to, or where I wanted to see it go. Looks like we might be dropping down a little bit now. Still gonna keep an eye out. Let's see if we get that little bit of a volume spike to the sell side when it exits this bob level. If not, then nothing today. And again, it's not like you can... So frustrating. I tried to get in on the short. I did try to get in on the short. Oh. The London macro ends at 10:30. What's up, South African Free? What's up? How you doing, Jose? Oh. Comment section will be full. That's a short, a little one. Yep. Like I said, I am watching this volume now. Next macro in New York and Red Folder News at 2:30. Here's Atlanta. I was like, hello. Oh, David, yeah, that's what we're kind of waiting for. Let's see what happens. Let's see when we get to 1:30. If that's then just the move done. If it is, it is what it is. It is what it is, what it is, you know. Da. And just keep talking on and on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on and on and on. Microwave. Done and done. Volume is high, but the candle doesn't keep it. It's an entry. Biggest bro. Solly, did you get any trades? gosh, he's looking so fat and lazy. Oh my gosh. So I'm just getting a photos and videos from my friend. Made my profits already, might just call it a night. You don't FOMO? An ATR that's 16 point, which is really high this time of day. Okay. Let's watch this. Not really, OTT. What's up? How you doing? OTT, you did not miss much. It edged me again earlier before dropping down. It's now climbed back up and is proceeding to low-key go a little bit sideways and down. I don't know why I exited my cells like extremely close to my full TP. That's okay. No, I just ate 4 painkillers and drinking to dull the pain, so I'm off to the charts right now. Please go to hospital. Like, please. Pretty please. Like, just go. Just go. Do what you did. Just take a bunch of painkillers, and go. Then you won't feel anything. Not surprised you got edged. Sorry, all that just to avoid a needle. Respect. Like, okay. Where was your entry that didn't get filled? Troops, it was here. Can even show you the setup. There. Missed me by 2 points there. This was the setup. It's a good setup. And missed me and then went down. Yeah. Yeah. Very much offended. Very offense. And now see a little bit of breakdown. It's gonna happen later. Anyways. Did I hear that Stream Elements is shutting down? No. Why? Needles is another fear. It sounds like crap. I hope you get better. New York is going to be brutal today with potential big move back into the range. The market is overextended. We have 3 weeks of rise. We expect a new phase of price pullback. Well, David, if this is it, then awesome. Then we start riding the wave back down. But the question is it just going to be rude and leave without me like it's been doing? Because I find that really offensive, and the market seems to not care about that, which I think is rude. Dagnabbit, no, that's a no-go. Except from here. Ah, yeah. Ooh, that no. I am feel. Thank you. Yeah, I shot myself with a nail gun today, so I'm hurting right now. Dream Elements never became profitable. Did they make money off of things? Aren't they just a bot? What's up, Ninja? I'm sure we'll go with that. I'm a little bit frustrated. 2 trades, neither of them came to tag me in. Both went in my direction though. Same thing kind of happened yesterday. It's just not my week. It's just not helping me out. Well, shouldn't be helping me out, but you know what I mean. Oh, I know the feeling. Oh, so it's Friday. I know it's Friday. Which means it might just be full port Friday at this point. Just be like, let's go for it. Full port Friday. Whoop, 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 whoop. See, like, I was tempted to take that, but that's like a B setup, and it's cheeky, and it's not an A+ setup, and this could retrace a little bit higher. Do it during New York, yep. Was at the top with the full port, nice. What's good trading content to do? Chat, trade reviews. Always my strat. What do you think would be a good watch? Damn, OTT, look at you go. Trade reviews are normally good. Explaining the strat, right? Might sweep to London first before we push. After reacts to London. But I thought I had more tea left. Literally enforcing why you shouldn't have taken the trade. That's a good thing. I know. Ain't waiting this long for just a B. Yeah, but watch it work out now. I don't even actually want to put it up because it's gonna make me upset. Can you believe it? Not you? Right, I've got an edge to trade. Apparently my edge is being edged, Brian. Why are you being so hard on yourself? Because I'm frustrated, Ninja. It's been frustrating. Super frustrating. It's okay. 524. She doesn't believe in herself because my fried chicken is ruined. Dr. David Paul once said, never be hard on yourself, that's everybody else's job. That's rough! Your edge is being edged. Well, you know what, if these past few days have shown me anything, my edge is being edged at this freaking point. I remember when you were talking about finding your edge. Yes. I know, and then everyone had a bunch of different ideas of what exactly the edge is. So I'm still unclear about if I have found my edge or not. Sometimes, you know, depending on some people's definition of an edge, yes, I have. Depending on other people's definition of an edge, no, I have not. So do you see the dilemma going on in my head right now? Good trading is all about waiting. You should find good things in your mind that relates to waiting. That'll also be quite interesting. Um, I'll look at all the things now. Sorry, my friends just sent me a bunch of videos of my horse. Okay, this would have been a break even. I can see that much already. So a break even trade, that's fine. That's some edgy thinking. Oh, Sin, that was terrible. But it does deserve this. I'll give you this.
Nice.
So I got the back end. So I'm gonna spend the next week pulling one shot out of the center of my thing. Sorry. Mikuave, that is gross. That is grim. Okay, so definitely a break-even trade. I can tell you that much for free. Let me come. Ooh, that's not where it was. Tagged in. Would have gone down. Would have gone to break-even. Yep. Okay. Oh, sorry. Double clicked. My bad. My B. They're currently 139. Well. Let's see, one thing at a time. 528. I know it's frustrating. I've been in this phase since March. Wreck me, but you can't take it personally. It's like blaming yourself for how the waves in the ocean move. Yeah. You know what? Wait. I have to get serious for this. Okay, wait. I need to get serious for this, for what I'm about to say to you. Yeah. Ninja, listen here. Listen here. And listen carefully. If you're gonna come at me with logic, I can't argue with you. Okay? Seriously? Anyways, that's all I wanted to say. That was it. If you're gonna come at me with logic, I can't argue with you. I know you're right. Doesn't make it any less frustrating, but I am aware that you are correct. This is why I got you guys. You guys do kind of put me in check when my head goes whee all over the place. I forgot I was streaming on that. Oops. Big buy 29501. Oh, good grief. I miss Goth Baddie. That was some dope energy. Oh, okay. So I need to do the Goth Baddie thing again. Noted. Noted. I'll make a plan just for you, Ninja. At least once a week. Goth Baddie. Deal? Hey, Ninja. Today is my first day. Let's quite the double bottom bounce a little bit. No, thanks, Ninja. Damn, I'm missing the move. What's up, Neil? I know. Can I help you, sir? There's no more sweeties. Deal. Is Goth Baddie the fit Demonto is acting out of? Yes, Solly, that is the one. Should hold down. Check TMP. Okay. I think there was a signal here. Or was this the buy? No, that wouldn't have been the buy. Whoop! Now we're dropping. Nope, never mind. Like the damn Katy Perry song, you're hot and you're cold. You're all over the flipping place. Messaging me, what up? How can I help? Please tag me so I don't miss your message. Neil, I didn't pull any triggers this morning. What have I become? Oh, Neil, are you learning patience with me? Welcome. Welcome. One of us. One of us. One of us. Okay. There was definitely a hoot and a car door slam. Give me a second. Now we're good. We're good. Okay. I mean, in all honesty, this kind of now looks like it's starting to bear flag. We haven't had bear flags in a while, but it does kind of look like we're bear flagging a little bit. Oh, good grief. No, no, no. Still nothing amazing that I like. Oh, man. Guys, this might be me calling it soon. Let's see, we have lost the oomph we had. Might only come back for New York. Or the Maya effect will take place and it'll stop moving when I leave the stream. That's also very possible. Yes, it's getting ready to shake out the zone. Back to back. Engulfing candles. Different risk management setting on that. I'll put my settings in next update. Ooh, thanks, Debbie. Appreciate you. Gosh, people are so flipping rude. Anyways, as soon as you leave, we're gonna full margin that. Bird. Give me my funding. Can you just make me some money, please? Okay. Well. Well, just Just well. We have kind of... Huh. We are in a little bit of a trending down situation. If it breaks us, then yeah, we're gonna go all the way back up. If it breaks it, though. Okay. Give this 3 more minutes. 3 more minutes, let's do this thing. I mean, yeah, on the 50-minute, it is definitely in a no trade zone. Like I said, this kind of looks a little bit like a bear flag. And it's just been channeling down all the way. So it retraced, I see it retraced the 50% here. Then it's gone back down. Now it kind of looks like we're in a bit of a bear flag happening here. It's a little bit of push. It looks more like a bit of a retest. The 15-minute retest, though, the 50% would be all the way back up to here. What's this level? 326. I don't know if it's gonna retest back to there, though. Arthur, get ready. Haven't you been saying get ready the whole time? Literally the whole time. 539. Like I said, this is low-key. Means it's potentially gonna hit back up here and then back down. Nobody told Geordie. Something like that. Let's see if it does do that or not. Like last night. Triple bottom breakout. It's your purple Rari. I know, Mikuave. It's, though, to be fair, I don't use it to trade off of. I use it as when it breaks this zone. Generally, it's a good indicator that we've broken it. Well, that it's broken and that we might see a bit more bull side action taking place. Like I said, do not tell Geordie, he will yell at me. Okay. I'm telling Geordie. No! I just told you not to tell Geordie. Wow, I sounded like a whiny little baby there. My bad. Oh, there we go, Mikuave. Don't touch until price gets back above support. 540, this might take 5 ever. Do, 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 do. Bear with me, I'm sitting up now. Just that. Is it gold? Nah, this is the Nasdaq futures. The micros, to be specific. What's up? Is that a trend line? No. Afrikaans accent ninja? That is hilarious. I disagree, but you should use trend line like that because they basically mean... What do you mean, Big Wava? Looking at some break it above level and your trend line will be fine. I mean, like I said, it's not even so much a trend line. I more use it as a resistance line. Just gonna come up with another name for it. And when it breaks that resistance line, then sometimes we're good to go. Is it working? Is this working at all to convince you? Not really. Maybe. Maybe a little bit. But I won't like place a sell trade here. Maybe, I mean, who knows? Maybe it would work, but I don't know if I trust them that much. Oh, yeah, but that's why I don't use it as one would trade a trend line trade. No trend line, how about it? 2 more minutes. Come on, show me something good in 2 more minutes. Also, I am calling it. Because this is making me angry. Why are so many people against trend lines? I don't know. Trend lines work on larger pieces of data. No, that's valid. To be fair, a lot of things work better on larger pieces of data, however you want to say it. Get what you're using for it's a general use tool to see a shift in market. Yeah, there we go. There we go, I like that. Thanks, Jackie. One minute. Let this be the push. Push it. Push it. Let's go. Push it. Push it real good. Okay.
That's what she said.
Imagine getting so much flack just for putting a single line on your chart. That is so funny. Oh, and you kind of went to... Yeah, Shaki, it sped off without me, without coming to tag me in, and now it's just snoozing. Hopefully then New York gives us something else, but yeah. I'm not mad, I'm disappointed. Traders, all strategies work, wouldn't be a strategy. If it didn't work for traders, find that works for you and stick with it. Yep. All before 32. Yeah, screw it. Okay, we're calling it. Sweetie Pie, can I help you? No? Okay. Yeah guys, I'm calling it. This is just gonna frustrate me more than necessary, so let me call it there for today. Well, not today. I'll be back later. New York Open. Let's do this thing. Watch it now move. You're welcome, by the way. If this now starts to move really nicely, you're welcome. Just enjoy lying, be proud. From a right click and lock it just to piss more people off. Oh, I'm gonna keep it up there. Let's see what happens when we come back for the New York session. Yeah. Okay. I love you guys, Natalie. Good luck trading. Oh, it's moving. No, it's moving. It's not moving that much. Okay. I love you guys, Natalie. Trade safe. Be good. I think you guys that is a bit pointless. You guys are never. Anyways, but I love you guys, Natalie. I'll be back for New York. Hopefully, like at this point, Full Port Friday is on the table. Just saying. So I love you guys. See you later. Full Port Friday. Screw it.